Philips 226E9QDSB 22 frameless monitor, Full HD IPS, FreeSync 75Hz, VESA, 4-year advance replacement warranty. Philips E-Line 22-inch, 21.5 viewable, LED monitor with Full HD 1920x1080, an IPS panel for wide viewing angles and full colors. Ultra-narrow borders allow for minimal distractions on optimal multi-monitor setup. AMD FreeSync technology provides fluid, artifact-free gaming performance with support up to 75Hz refresh rate. Peace of mind, Philips monitors come with 4-year advance replacement in the United States, minimizing downtime. LowBlue mode reduces harmful shortwave blue light for your well-being, plus flicker-free technology regulates brightness and reduces eye fatigue. Hdmi, DVI-D, VESA, and audio-out connectivity. Wall-mountable, VESA-compatible. EnergyStar certified plus 100% recylable packaging. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.